Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Kia Sportage window switch. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your brand new window switch assembly. Safety first. Always make sure your vehicle's power is completely off before starting any electrical work. This simple step helps prevent any unexpected issues during the replacement process, keeping you safe and sound. Now, let's get that door panel off. Start by gently prying the trim piece around the door handle with your flathead screwdriver. Once that's off, you'll likely find one or two screws that need to be removed with your Phillips head. After the screws are out, carefully pry the bottom and sides of the door panel to release the retaining clips. Finally, lift the entire panel upwards to free it from the window channel. With the door panel removed, replacing the switch is straightforward. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old window switch assembly. Then, locate and press the retaining tabs on the old switch to release it from its housing in the door panel. Now, simply insert your new window switch assembly into the opening, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new switch. Great job! Now it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the door panel and push it firmly to engage all the clips. Reinstall the one or two screws you removed earlier, and then snap the trim piece back around the door handle. Once everything is secure, reconnect your vehicle's power. Finally, test your new window switch to ensure all windows operate smoothly up and down. You've successfully replaced your switch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.